Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. I'm going to share with you how to create a natural skincare routine at home. This is a DIY non-toxic using natural and organic ingredients. I am going to cleanse my skin with jojoba oil and olive oil. They are both hydrating and high in antioxidants. I am mixing the two oils together and I will be applying it on dry skin. Using an oil-based cleanser is great for removing makeup and it won't dry your skin out. Massage your skin really well to help remove all the dirt, debris, and makeup. Then use a hot towel to remove the cleanser. I found this is the best way to remove it from the skin. I am going to make a mask out of avocado, ground coffee, and honey. Use a small bowl to mix the mask, and I'm using a fork to scoop a small amount of avocado. Then I will squeeze a small amount of honey and pour a little bit of ground coffee into the bowl. Avocado and honey are hydrating and rich in antioxidants. Honey is antibacterial, great for detoxifying. And coffee is great for a temporary depuffing and helps energize the skin. I use the fork to mush it all together. Then I am applying the mask with a facial brush, applying it all over my face. Let it sit on your skin for 10 minutes. And one more thing, make sure to also treat your eyes. I'm going to use chamomile tea to help depuff my eyes. Steep the tea bag in cold water and use 2 cotton pads and dip it in the tea water and use it over your eyes. Chamomile is known for being anti-inflammatory, which is great for your eye area. I am removing the eye pads and I'm going to use wet cotton pads to remove the mask. Gently remove the mask and this will also help exfoliate your skin. Then use a hot towel to remove everything off your face. I am toning with Thayer's alcohol-free Rose Petals Witch Hazel Facial Mist Toner, spraying it about 10 inches away from my face. It is cleansing, toning, balancing for the skin, and also hydrating, and it is also antibacterial, great for any skin type. I'm going to treat my skin with the Rada Rosehip Oil. It is loaded with vitamins. It is anti-aging and antibacterial, and it is non-greasy. Make sure to always use oils after any water-based products, or use it as your last step to your skincare routine. I am hydrating with Trader Joe's 100% organic argan oil, and it is non-comedogenic, which means it will not clog your pores. It is super hydrating and promotes smoother, calmer skin. And finally, I am hydrating my lips with cocoa butter and coconut oil. These are super rich in texture, so make sure that you do not use them on your face because it might clog your skin, but it is super hydrating for the lips. So don't forget to hydrate your lips. And this is a great combination to hydrate your body. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.